It is my hope that this committee will find it worthy to approve me to this docket, and I want to assure you that I will quickly internalize the policies and the legislation on tourism, wildlife and heritage. And I want to assure this vetting committee that I will raise the numbers from the currently number that we have below 1 million as we recover to the dream of this country and the capacity of this country.
And my promise to Kenyans is that I will work for you. I know this docket is challenging, but with proper leadership and engagement with wananchi, I know God will never give you a task that you cannot handle.
Question on how I plan to streamline KEMSA. Having interned there, I have a view of what it is that happens at KEMSA as a public institution. And as I said, I also worked at MEDS, which is a faith-based institution. And what then I bring to KEMSA, which I'm sorry to say, but most of the public institution, there's some laxity in terms of operational efficiency. While there, I realized we had a problem with quantifications, how they arrive at what they buy for patients. At KEMSA, they do a push system, where then the stocks are pushed down to the facilities. And the facilities are supposed to be pulling from KEMSA. So the push system then means quantification is done at the top, at KEMSA level. And I'm happy because in Kenya Kwanza we are talking about bottom up. Therefore the facilities will be bringing up their quantities. Based on that, quantification is done.